Hey, hello and welcome. And we're going to do a quick and easy pipe in this blender tip. So let's shift A, add a mesh and a cylinder. I'm using 16 vertices for around the outside. Okay, let's go into top view. All right, now I want the flatness right here to be right here. So I'm just going to grab it and press R to rotate, kind of drag it down. So it's like flat right there. That's fine. Okay. And then for the spin tool, okay, which is what we're going to use. Let's go here, go into edit mode. We need if we're going to select spin tool and use it, we will need the 3D cursor to be where we want the pivot point to be, which is going to be right about there. So press shift and then right click and there's a 3D cursor. There's our pivot point. All right. So let's go into front view here by pressing the 1 on the keypad. All right. Then select the spin tool. It's at 6 steps in the y-axis. And all you have to do is just grab this top plus here if you want to spin it the other way. But we want to spin it this way. So we're going to grab this top and just pull it down. Oh, I had some back faces. Haha. Okay, that's all right. Control Z twice. There it goes. It goes back. Okay. We just want that face. All right. So let's go back to front view and then pull it down. There we go. Pull it up till it's about straight like that. Boom. All right. Now we'll grab that face again. Get out of spin tool and press E to extrude and pull it out. All right. And then let's have it go up again like this. So right about here, shift and right click to set the 3D cursor. Make sure the face is selected. Go into front view here so we can see. Go down to the spin tool. Go from the bottom this time and drag it up and boom. Okay, let's get out of the spin tool. Grab this face again and press E to extrude and pull it up. Boom. There you go. That's quick and easy pipes. And let's say also that you want like that ridge kind of where the pipe connects to the floor or the wall or something. Okay, let's go to lines. Select this line or any line. Uh, Loop cut and slide, left click on it again, left click again to set it, and then you can drag it down to like somewhere like here. Go to face mode now, so we can select individual faces, but I want this whole ring of faces, so I'm going to press Alt and left click near an edge of that face loop there, and boom, I grab the whole thing. Now we're going to right click, extrude along normals, and just drag it up a little bit. Boom, there you go. So you do the same thing up here. So that's quick and easy pipes, man. Uh, Easy, right? Hell yeah. So let's go back into object mode. Okay, and if you want your 3D cursor back at the world origin space there, press Shift and C, and boom, there it goes. All right. Now the pipe, let's right click and shade auto smooth. That smooths the pipe, but keeps your hard edges because of the settings I have on it. So, which is I think 30 degrees. So there you go. Quick and easy pipes, man. You know. Can't do better than that. And let's see, uh, just drag it up if you want to the grab Z and just drag it up and boom. Now the connector part will be like at the floor in Unity if you brought it in. All right. And we could also, right now it's this object is centered right here. We go to object, apply, set origin to 3D cursor, boom. Okay, and now it will snap to like the floor in Unity or something right there where the thing is. So, easy pipes. Quick and easy, right? Hell yeah. All right. And here's a life tip for you as a bonus because you made it this far. Have you ever wanted to show your friends just how tough you are? Become the alpha of the group, you know? Well, It's easy. Just grab yourself a dull, rusty, old, horrible, disposable razor and shave in front of them, you know, with no foam or moisture of any kind. They'll be super impressed. All right. Well, that is blender tips number two and quick and easy pipes. Until next time, peace out.